It's time for a giveaway.
You know, we've all been going through a rough time for the last couple of months dealing with this pandemic. So I'd like to offer up a giveaway. I've recently bought a razor handle made by Budgeon of Opus shaving company. So now what he does is he takes billiard balls, puts them on the lathe, shapes them, and then CNCs the design into the bottom of them. He just sells, he doesn't offer them with the brush or the knot. So he gave me this one that's based on my logo, or I got that one from him rather. That's out of a number 5 billiard ball. He also sent me this one with the skull, which is awesome. I believe I know that one's a 26, I believe this one is too. Now we also included an extra, and how apropos. The Plague Doctor. I cannot find my caliper to bud, but I believe this will fit a 25 or 26. So this is what the giveaway is for. I will include this synthetic knot. I'm not sure where I got it from. I believe it's a 26. You might have to shape it down a little bit, but provide your own knot if you don't like this one. Now what he also gave me was this gorgeous razor stand. I don't know what type of wood it is, but it will fit just your standard razor. I happen to have one of my fat boys here, and it fits in there. Just gorgeous. So this is what the giveaway will be for. The razor stand from Opus Shaving Company. The Plague Doctor number 5 billiard ball. I believe it'll fit a 25 or 26. I will include a 26 millimeter knot, synthetic. You can use your own knot. Giveaway to be drawn by random name picker on May 24th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You must be a subscriber to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram. Please follow Craig Budgeon on Facebook and Instagram. I will provide links. You must be a resident of Canada or continental US, and if you've won any of my giveaways before, please refrain, give other guys a chance. So that's what we're going to be doing. Guys, I appreciate you taking the time to subscribe to my channel, taking the time to watch. And I hope you guys are staying safe during this time. And yeah, all the other thing is you must write "I'm in" the comment section of this video. Not in the other ones, just specifically this video. Write "I'm in" the comment section below. So anyway, guys, good luck to all of you. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you really soon. Bye-bye.